keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
In room 8146 at Disney's Coronado Springs, Cabanas section, building 8A. And somebody opened the door for us. When you first walk in, curtains, drapes, chair, lovely wood floor. Plenty of room under your 2 queen beds. You of course have the 3 caballeros, Jose, Panchito, and Donald Duck to greet you. A Keurig coffee pot, which is always nice. Lights above the bed. A ceiling fan, which is an extra plus. A lot of rooms at Disney do not have ceiling fans anymore. So it's terrific that this room actually has a ceiling fan. And I need to pull the string and turn that puppy on. This feels very spacious, actually, especially for a moderate resort, and clean, very clean, which is very important, always. And the view from the room, it's lovely. And again, this is the cabana section, and look, the dig site is literally right there. Back gate to the pool area. That is great. I actually requested this building and almost this exact room, to be honest with you. And that's how good Disney is. Let me shut that back to keep it cool. And again, we have a Keurig, lovely floors, lovely space under the bed, very clean feel. Of course, you have the usual ice bucket. You have the coffee cups and the water or soda cups. A nice water cooler in the fridge. It is not a refrigerator, it is a cooler. A nice little desk light for all the work we will not be doing. A lot of drawers. Let's check out the drawer space. Oh, adequate, very adequate. And 6 of them, that's nice. Nice large TV. Great full-length mirror, great barn or slider doors that you can shut. Give the other person privacy, or vice versa, while they're in there showering or the lights disturbing maybe the sleeper, which would be more of the case here. So there's more of a panned full view. Nice luggage space, even though all that will be put under our bed, out of our way fully. And that wonderful ceiling fan. Okay, let's come into the bathroom. We have a lovely fan noise, but that's okay. If you're taking a deuce, you want that fan noise on. My husband's gonna be like, you really just said that? But I really did. Good space around the toilet for when you're doing that. They're comfortable. Nice. Very nice shower. I see no mold or mildew. That's always a plus, right? Especially when you're paying Disney prices. A little niche for goodies and razors and soap. Of course it comes with your usual Disney H2O products. Yeah, let me turn you around. Oh, there's also a pocket door, of course. Let's see if it's a slow shut. Not really, so you could get your hand in there, or a child or adult. And there's a nice closet space there. Over here you have a wonderful lit mirror. a magnifying mirror, which is great in a moderate resort. Double vanity. Plenty of places to put goodies and hide them as well. That's very lovely to see. Comes with facial soap and some other products. Plenty of Kleenex and toilet paper. And another little area to hang your stuff. And I believe this extends and shortens. Nice. Plenty of space. Impressed. And there's that magnifying mirror I told you about. And you can flip the sides and it lights up. Super nice. So again, very impressed. Little night light comes on over there. Let me turn this off. It's kind of annoying. Actually, I don't know why that fan's even going when nothing's in there and on, but plenty of space. Let's open this up. Check it out. My goodness, it's very tall too. Uh-oh, there we go. Ironing board, steam iron, and luggage rack. And some hangers. They just never give enough hangers. I mean, that would be just for me, really, that amount. We also have an extra pillow and blanket. And there's no pull-out bed or sofa bed here, so that would just be for if there were a cot, I guess, in the room, which you could have sent or brought over, or just extra bedding for if you get cold. All right, that is the room at Coronado Springs, Cabanas 8A 8146. And we'll end it with the 3 Caballeros. There's the room, 8146 Cabanas, Building 8A. And you can hear the laughter and the fun having over at the big site. Oh.
We are who we are.